Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Ramba ke Jela uba Prestone tensong uba dairu chairman ke high level committee haba jubab ya ke jingkeli Halor ke jingkot banyak kendo ikinong yalam ke Harijan Pynchayat committee ulaong. Ulaya tho bakil ada banyak keren ya ke benta bat menta kidang up ya ke Tarik ni kinong yalam na Delhi. Ulaya tho baka sarkar ka terang ban pendep no ya ke kam ke bala sateng bat kitang suyo jingtip ha ke bade berkapor bat ke Tarik niki kinong yalam ke sarkar kan salumbiang banyak kendo.
In fact, that we have already communicated. We are yet to receive the date exactly. We have already discussed with, because we are waiting also for the availability of those leaders from Delhi, the president and the general secretary of that
HPC.
temple, having that Gurudwara over there, because they were also part of the committee. So we have already indicated the time, so we are yet to receive. But we wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible.
So since the status of Shillong Dauki Road?
Sir, this one Harijan Panchayat committee, since January month is over, can we expect the meeting to be conducted somewhere in the month of February?
As I said to you, I will not indicate exactly when. But from the government side, we are ready. We wanted to meet them, and once they indicate the time, we will fix accordingly. But we really wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible.
What?